welcome to Tim's Workshop 2020. Hey, this year I'm going to be making a lot more videos, of course. Some of the videos I'm going to be doing is, for one, is the part 3 of the boat loader, the small aluminum boat. I've thought about it, and to make it easier and quicker, I'm going to do something simple on it for you guys to check out. That's one of them. I'm going to do some other videos on the truck, the yard equipment, just some general type repairs on the house. You know, different things like that that'll interest you, but I'm open to suggestions. I started a PayPal thing, and if you feel like helping me out on making a donation, leave me your email. I'll put you on the PayPal access. That way you can donate, and if you have a suggestion on a video that you would like to see, any money I get off of that PayPal from viewers, I'll just put it right back into making more videos, make them more interesting. One thing I would like to get is a welder. You know, that would be nice to do some welding. I have some ideas on that. Eventually, I'd like to get a older VW bug to work on. There's all kinds of things I would like to make videos on, but you know, the money would help, you know. So if you're interested in doing that, let me know. Give me your email address and I'll put you on it, and you can just, you know, donate whatever you want. Okay, so 2020 is going to be, I'm going to try to make the videos interesting, shorter than I have been. Unless you know, also I found I have the fast speed now, so I can speed the process up a little bit, but you can still view what I'm doing, you know. And then if you have questions, always leave a question, you know, and I'll answer it for you. All right, so you like the videos, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and leave me a thumbs up. All right, thanks.